Welcome to the WinOLS tutorial Twin Windows. The new feature Update Twin Windows allows you to view maps or hex dumps in two view modes at the same time. To do this, simply hold down the Control key while clicking in the View tab. WinOLS now opens a second window right next to it. This also works for hex dumps. WinOLS keeps them in sync automatically. Window positions are also managed automatically. If there is more space in one direction, WinOLS automatically adjusts the alignment. Right-click the window title to change the order.